Assalamu alaikum. We're doing maps today and we're carrying on with scales, and we need to know how you find different types of scales on a map. And the first one we're doing today is called a numerical scale. A numerical scale is written in the form of a ratio, where you will see a ratio like this, 1:100, and we need to understand what does it mean and how do we use it on an actual map, right? So I've given you an easy example here. This is a pool picture and it says find the actual length in meters. So the pool is 20 centimeters in the drawing, and then you'll see next to it here you have a numerical scale. It's saying 1:250. So what it's actually telling us is we need to learn specific things about the numerical scale here. So the 1 centimeter is representing your map. So if I write that down there again, this part represents your map. So 1 centimeter on your map, and this is representing your actual size. So every 1 centimeter on the map is equals to 250 centimeters. So what I'm saying is that each 1 centimeter is equals to 250 centimeters. So why do we have a numerical scale? Is because it's impossible to actually draw a real size pool onto a paper. So what we do is we scale it down and we draw it to 20 centimeters, but this 20 centimeters is representing something, right? So if we have 1 centimeter is 250 centimeters, you can see that we can calculate what is the actual length of the spool here according to the scale. Now when we have, I just want you to learn about the scale factor now, because it will help you and carry you right through to grade 11. So when we have any numerical scale and it says 1:100, in this example it means that if there's 1 centimeter on your map, in reality that 1 centimeter is representing 100 centimeters. Okay, so this part of it, only when there's a 1 here, right, this part of it is representing my scale factor. So I call it the scale factor. In this example here, I'm calling 250 here. 250 becomes my scale factor. Okay, so how do I calculate my actual length? I have to take my map length, which is the 20 centimeters, and I'm going to multiply it by 250, which is my scale factor, and I'm going to get 5,000 centimeters. So in the beginning you can actually learn it that actual length is equals to your map length times your scale factor. Later on you'll be able to realize that it's very simple. If 1 is representing 250, 20 is going to be 20 times the 250, and then I'm getting 5,000 centimeters. Now this one actually asked you to do it in meters. So when you see a question like this, first focus on what do I have in my question, and my scale is in centimeters, so my numerical scale is going to be in centimeters, and my map picture is 20 centimeters. After you find your answer, then you worry about converting it to meters if they've asked you in a different unit, right? So now I got my answer of 5,000 centimeters. I'm going to divide it by 100, and then my answer is going to become 50 meters, right? So we've done conversions before. You can just revise over that. So the main thing that we need to know is that when we see any scale, this is how it's written. Okay, so the scale is written as, it would be written as 1:100. Okay, so it's meaning that 1 centimeter is equals to 100 centimeters. This will be drawn on the map, and then but actually in reality it will be equals to 100 centimeters. So if I'm drawing a line and I draw only 1 centimeter, it's going to be on my map, it's going to be 1 centimeter, but in reality it's going to be 100 centimeters. So if I draw a line that's 2 centimeters, okay, this one was 1 centimeter, this one was 2 centimeters. In reality, how much is it going to be? It's going to become 200 centimeters. If I'm drawing 3 centimeters, in reality, it's going to be 300 centimeters. I just represent the 300 by 3 centimeters, the 200 by 2 centimeters, and the 100 by 1 centimeter. So I'm calling this part here my scale factor. So all I need to do is I'm taking the amount on my map to multiplying by 100, I get 200. 3 multiplied by the 100, I'm getting 300. Logically, it's easy to find the answer, but later on when your questions are more complex, then it's easy to just find the scale factor and find the amount on your map, and you're multiplying your map by your scale factor, which is 20 centimeters by the 250 in this example here, which becomes 5,000 centimeters. So what it means in this example is 20 centimeters is representing actually 50 meters. So the pool in actual length is 50 meters, but we've only drawn 20 centimeters to represent that 50 meters, and we've got the scale to calculate how much it is in reality.